Hi, my name's John Living, and I'd like to thank you for your interest in the Distant Heating Manual. Now, this little instructional video is how I do it. Your way may be slightly different. Whatever works, works for you. You do whatever you do for the best. Intent is the most important thing. So, first of all, what I do, before I explain, this little disc here is a symbol of the Holistic Intuition Society, our heart chakra. It means the joining of heaven and earth, above and below, of spirit and soul, of mind and matter. And this one was actually made by Joe Smith. Now, what I like to do is to clear myself before I start dowsing. So I use this energy ring, which is based on Lakovsky, his principle, and what it does, it puts a film. If you can imagine blowing a bubble on a piece of wire, you'd have a film of water within that ring. Here you have a similar film, but not of water, but of orgone energy. So you lift it up above. I lift it up above my head, then I bring it down slowly. Now I'm going to take it sideways because if there's something that's not good, I move forward slightly, and I hold it still until my body moves me back, and I know it's been cleared. I move it down slowly again, another move forward, hold it still, back, it's done. Lower it more and 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 more. Now usually I do this twice, but here what I'm doing now, the next step is to clear what is in the lower part, because as you could see in that demonstration I was dealing with the upper part of my body. Now with the feet, we need to lift the feet. So I'm lifting up my right foot now, so anything below my foot, in my chakras below there, are cleared. I put it down again, and I put my toe in that film and lift it, imagining that anything in my meridians of my body that's not good is being dragged out, it's being caught by that field, and is now being extracted from my toe. So with one foot, then I do it with the other foot, lift it up, and then I put my toe down and imagine anything else being caught out from there. Sorry, off balance. Here we are. Having done that, I like to clear using my power pendulum. The power pendulum works with a clockwise motion with the lower part, with the smaller part downwards. It puts in love, and with the larger size down, anti-clockwise, it takes out problems. Now what it does when it takes out a problem, it heals it within the cone formed by this larger coil. It heals it and sends it up to the top of the coil to be polished and sent out as love, and the reverse of the bottom. So here I'm putting in love into my being, and if it is pointing, it wants to go somewhere, there's a spot there needs a bit more love. I follow the lead, a bit more love there. Follow the lead again, a bit more love wanted there. Comes back, a bit more love here, and it stops so it doesn't need any more. So now we go and take out anything that's not good, and it stops so there's nothing else to be taken out. And I like to finish it off by a polishing of love, just putting love in, always finishing with love. Thank you.